Hello and welcome to Techno Technician channel. If you found this video useful, don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe this channel to support me. Thank you. Today we will learn about stopping pop-up windows and annoying ads that shows up in every website we visit. First you will go to your browser extensions web store. Then search for ad block. Click Add to Chrome. Then Add Extension. Now search for Ad Block Plus. Add to Chrome. Then Add Extension. Finally search for uBlock. Add to Chrome. Then Add Extension. You are protected. Now if you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe this channel to support me. Thank you.